If you want to learn how I made this much money in as little as 5 months buying and reselling shoes, stay tuned for the rest of the video. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger, man. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to become a reseller. Now guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more sneaker content in the future. Be a part of the money family. And a special thanks to these guys right here for showing support in the comment section on the last videos. If you do want to be featured in my next video, make sure you do leave a comment saying if I helped you or what was your favorite part about the video. I don't know if you guys know or not, but sneaker reselling is a $1 billion industry. So it's so much opportunity and so much money to be made in this business. Alright guys, to start off, you want to have initial capital. So basically you want to have some money already built up so you can invest into shoes, because in the sneaker business you need money to make money. And not necessarily a large amount of money, but you do need some sort of money. I do recommend at least $500 just to start off, because the average price of sneakers runs from $160 up to around $220. So you want to at least have $500 so you can purchase 2 shoes and try to make some profit off of those shoes. Now guys, step 2 to reselling is keeping up with each and every upcoming release for that week. Now you want to subscribe to my channel guys, because I will be posting and keep you updated with each and every sneaker release for that week, how much money they're gonna go for, what sizes to go for. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make money, I want you to make money. We're gonna make money together, you feel me? This is a money family. So you make money, I make money. It's a win-win. Step 3, you want to keep up with the market. You want to study the market. I can't stress this enough. You want to study what shoe you're going to go for. So say you're going to go for an upcoming release, a Jordan 1 for example. Well, you could look at a colorway similar to that Jordan 1 that's dropping this weekend, and you could kind of gauge on where the prices are going to be at. Like for the Jordan 1 Royal Toes that dropped last weekend, people looked at the bread toes because they thought they were going to perform in the same way. So you can kind of gauge of how big the price gap is going to be, where they're going to go to, how much they're going to rise. So guys, studying the market is a big key in sneaker reselling. And when you do become a reseller, you want to know what shoes to go for in the first place. You don't want to go for some just random Adidas or some random Nike dropping and expect to make money off of it. You want to know what shoes are going to go for money. For example, Off-Whites, Travis Scotts, all those type of collaborations usually go for a lot of money, guys. So whichever way it goes, if you go for any type of Travis Scott, it can be ugly, it's still gonna make money. So those are shoes that are gonna always make money. For the most part, Off-Whites do make money. The Kygers that dropped last year, those with some big bricks, those didn't go for no money at all. But for the most part, Off-White, Travis Scott, etc. Collaborations, they always do good, guys. So make sure when you starting off, guys, you do go for every and each single hype release if you don't know what shoes are gonna do good. Alright guys, now when starting off reselling, there are gonna be terms that sneaker resellers use around the market, around social media. So you do wanna make sure you know these so you won't be lost when somebody's trying to talk to you or you're trying to make a sale. Let's go over these sneaker terms. Okay guys, to start off, dead stock. Dead stock is one of the most known sneaker terms, one of the most used terms around the sneaker community. Guys, you need to know what dead stock means. Dead stock means a shoe has never been worn, it's fresh out of the factory, fresh out of the package, whatever. It's never been, I mean, it can be touched, but it's never been worn, it's never been opened, never been tried on, none of that. In terms that are associated with dead stock, you might hear these terms as well around the market, is VNDS and pads. Now, VNDS stands for very near dead stock, and PADS stands for pass as dead stock. Now, this means they might have been tried on, they might have been worn once, but if you take like a clear look at them from far away, they still look dead stock. Now, another term you're gonna need to know is beaters. Beaters, that's the total opposite of dead stock. Beaters are shoes that have been worn so much they like turn black, but I'm talking about they look ugly. Beaters means the shoes are just beat up, they've been worn, they've been torn down. I'm talking about they're just ugly, but I'm gonna pull up some images so you can see some examples of beaters. Never want to buy, well, I mean, it is an opportunity to make money off of beaters because you can just clean them up, refurbish them, and then resell them, flip them. But beaters, guys, now you know what that means. Now guys, resale is one of the most important words to know in this industry, guys. Resale is when you buy a shoe for retail and you flip it or resell it on the secondary market for more to make a profit. So for example, say a shoe is going for $120 retail. On the secondary market, it's going for $160. If I buy it for $120, flip it for $160, I made a $40 profit. That is reselling, guys. And the reason why shoes resell is because there's either a low stock and a high demand. So limited supply, high demand, it's supply and demand, baby, all day. I'm telling you guys, resale is what makes the money in this industry. Now guys, the term OG and retro are also widely used terms in this industry. OG means the original version, and retro means like the remake or the revamp of the original version for the current time. So if a Jordan was made back in 1985 and it's released again in 2020, this is the retro, that's the OG. Now guys, lastly, we're going to talk about sneaker grails. Now, sneaker grails, you don't want to get this term confused. This is like a sneaker that means something to you personally, guys. Like for me, for example, the Red Octobers, brother. Oh my, the Red Octobers. The Red Octobers are so fire to me, guys. Those are my grails, man. I just want to have some in my collection one day, and I know I will. You know what I'm saying? I will. I've seen them before at SneakerCon, but I'm like in a glass case. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't really get to touch. But I want to touch them. I want to sleep with them. You know what I'm saying? I just want to feel all over the Red Octobers. Them is my grails. Your sneaker grail could be different from mine. That's totally fine. Red Octobers might not be a sneaker grail. That's also fine. But the Red Octobers are mine, guys. So your sneaker grail is your favorite sneaker, a sneaker that means something to you personally. That's what a grail is. Now, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite topic of today's video was, guys, in the comment section. Tell me what your grails are. Anything you want to tell me, just tell me something in the comment section. I want to talk to you guys. I want to talk to you boys. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep making money. Let's keep striving. Stay good, Sam. It's your boy.